Today on PowerNation Daily, Workhorse is opening pre-orders for the W15 to the public, and HOA wants to fine residents $200 for keeping the garage doors closed, believe it or not. A car crash that leads to a massive explosion. BMW completely crushes its world record. What's coming up on PowerNation this weekend? It's also time for Top 5 Fast Fails, Desert Edition, so pull up a chair. This is PowerNation Daily. What's up, guys? Welcome to PowerNation Daily. Let's get right to it. The Workhorse Group announced its W15 electric pickup last year, but they only made it available for fleets and not the public. Now, though, the CEO, Steve Burns, says the demand is so strong, pre-orders will be available for everyone. Autoblog reports that with a $1,000 refundable deposit that goes towards the price and the EV tax credit of $7,500, the truck will have a purchase price of $45,000. The W15 has a range of 80 miles, puts out 450 horsepower. The 0 to 60 time is 5.5 seconds, which isn't so bad. Workhorse is also ahead of Tesla, who still has yet to put out a pickup truck into the production world. What do you think about a pickup truck that's electric with no exhaust? I feel like it's just not right. Trucks should have exhaust. That's my take. What's yours? Let us know in the comments. Do you leave your garage door closed when you're at work? Most people do. Well, if you're part of the Greens neighborhood, it could cost you $200. This is crazy. The HOA of Auburn, California, it's a neighborhood, they have now voted to make it illegal to keep your garage door shut. Between the hours of 8 a.m. and 4 p.m. Monday through Friday, they want to keep the garage doors open. The notice was issued after one resident was caught with people living in the garage, but the other residents say they shouldn't have to comply just because somebody else was breaking the rules. People are concerned about theft in their garages, which they should be. It's crazy, and I guess the HOA doesn't care. That's just crazy to me. What do you think about it? I mean, it is California, and I'm from there, so it is what it is. I think it's nuts, and if you want people living in your garage, you can get away with it, more power to you. What do you think about it? The internet is filled with car fires and crashes and all kinds of other stuff, and several of them involve cars, going up in flames. But not the kind of explosion you see in a movie with the big boom and all, But not this time. This time, it was impressive. Not only does the car catch on fire after the crash, it also explodes. And when I say explodes, I'm talking boom. Listen to that boom. Yeah, that was gnarly. The LPG, which is pressurized, liquefied petroleum, exploded, and luckily nobody was hurt because that was one heck of a boom. Watch it again. If you want to see the whole video, check it out on PowerNationTV.com. It's good. Last episode, we covered BMW and its car-to-car refueling idea of breaking a world record. This is a silly idea if you ask me. And after 8 hours and 232.5 miles and 5 refuels later, they successfully broke the most boring record in history. Those are my thoughts. BMW USA manages to crush the previous record of 89.5 miles when the driver manages to keep the car on the track sideways for over 200 miles continuously. Man, I would be so bored by that point. For the whole video, though, you can check it out on PowerNationTV.com. It is impressive, but I mean, what were you doing for that whole time? Listen to the radio, eating cheeseburgers? I mean, it's kind of boring after a certain point. If you want to see the whole video, not all 200 miles of it, but a lot of it, check it out on our website at PowerNationTV.com. This week, PowerNation heads to the Country Music Hall of Fame and Museum in Nashville, right here in our backyard. And I know you're thinking, where are the cars at? Well, I had a chance to take a look at Elvis Presley's 1960 Cadillac Series 75 Fleetwood limo, tricked out in gold with gold accessories, white pearl paint. I also had a chance to check out Webb Pierce's 1962 Pontiac Bonneville that features rifles, handguns, and silver dollars all over the car. Plus, the Bandit Trans Am, which is famous and Smokey and the Bandit. And you can check out this all on Sunday at 9 a.m. on Spike. So, enjoy it. Thanks for watching PowerNation Daily, everybody. Be sure to hit us up on Facebook, get connected with us online, and let us know what you think. We're always here for you. Have a good rest of your day.